Firstly, the Champions League is our main target this year. We have to be better than last year. And the target is to reach the semi-final, and for sure we have to be very, very rigorous, disciplined, serious during this first match, because everything is possible in football, and we cannot underrate any team. It's very, very important to go there with humility, but in the same time with ambition, because we are Simba. We proved last year that we are among the 8 best teams in Africa, and it is another competition now, but we have to continue on this way. So we go there with a lot of ambitions and respecting the next opponent.
You say that you don't want to underrate any team.
Mm-hmm.
How did you observe the team, and what's your call to Simba lovers?
Yeah. Well, I watched their last match. This is a very good team, very solid, very aggressive, very, very good in the duels. And like I say already, I explained to my players, they have a good process offensively. They move a lot between the lines, so we have to control them. Defensively, we have to be clever, disciplined. It is what we have done today during the training session. So completely sure that player understand what I expect from them in this compartment. But if we are able to control this offensive, we will develop a lot of opportunity to score like every match.
What's your call to Simba fans?
Yes, Simba fans. We try to. How can I say? I'm very frank. We were very sad after the Yanga match. Very, very sad. We were also very disappointed against Biashara, because we deserved the victory. And we cannot blame anybody. We are together. We are like a family, and fans are our family, and we have to make them very, very happy. Not disappointment. We have to be clear, confident, and very proud when we will come back from Botswana.
So the last season, we know the squad. We knew the squad, and perhaps it was very easy for us to detect that who will start in first 11. Right now, do you have your first 11, or you are still trying or struggling to get your first 11?
No, I don't have a first 11. Even last year, what is important for me, it is what I see during the training session and what I can see during the match. I talked early about Duncan Nyoni. He was very good against Dodoma. So, we need to give him a lot of confidence. Like Kennedy, he played very well against Benin with the national team of Tanzania. So it is also a big option for us. We cannot break the way of the very, very good player.
Coach, there was interference with national teams. How does it affect us?
Yeah, you are right. I don't understand the program. You are very right. Mehdi arrived today. Nyoni and Peter Banda will come back on tomorrow morning. So it is a problem, but we need to find solution for sure. I would like to work with my player every day. We were disturbed also in the beginning of September. Now in the beginning of October. I think that last month also there is a international match. So we need to adapt our program, but for sure it is a little bit complicated when you have 4 or 15 players outside. But it means that Simba is a big team. When you have a lot of international players, it's also very, very good for the club.
You said you have analyzed your opponent, the Galaxy.
Maybe you are from South Africa, Botswana? Okay.
Do you think that you will go and finish the game there, or you will wait until they come here for the second leg?
It means?
You mean that you're going to win there, or you're going to...
We know in football we never know. For sure we go there to make a very tough match. Firstly, very aggressive. We have to play also. Like I say, we have to keep the ball and try to disturb the opponent. But for sure, we go there to win. But you know, football sometimes is amazing.
Yeah.
The previous matches against the teams
What?
South Africa against the Kaizer Chiefs, that now so hasn't scored. Any cautions to
Yeah. But we score against Vita Club. Also last year we scored against Plateau in Nigeria. So, but like I said to the player, last year I was not the coach, but it was very difficult against Platinum. And 2 years ago against the Luis Mikison team from Mozambique, it was also difficult. So it is why we cannot underrate any team, and we have to go there with humility and confidence for sure. But for sure we will play a very, very tough match there.
Are you aiming to